is, let me write it first. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AD is equals to BC and angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. Proof that. Triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC. Next, BD is equals to AC. This is also, we have to prove it. And the next part, that is angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. Yes, Farhan, still I have not started. I was just writing the question. Okay. This is the question we are having, and the figure still I have not drawn. Let me draw the figure as well. A, B, C, D. Yes, Rumaisha, was you there in the previous class?
Yeah, what's here? What did you say, ma'am?
You was there in the previous class?
No, ma'am. I just joined. New student.
Okay, just a moment. Just a moment. You are from class 9, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Have I discussed any concept with you?
No, ma'am, not yet.
Okay, just give me a second.
Okay.
Yes, Rumaisha, here as we have already started one of the chapter, that is triangle, and in the first class it was very important class. Okay, so I have discussed all the basics in that class. So since you have not attended that class, if from now if I will explain, definitely it will make sense to you, but it will not be that clear the way I will when I will start from the very beginning. So one thing you can do, you can join after let me tell you the time. From 10:30 Indian Standard Time, will you be able to join?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so please join at this time today only, 10:30 Indian Standard Time. So after 45 minutes, 50 minutes, whatever is remaining. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, please join, and then I will start from the beginning, and then we will merge you over here in this batch. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
okay, Rumaisha. Thank you.
Ma'am, first
Yes.
one is angle, side.
First one is angle side. Let's see. The approach we were discussing in the previous class, every time we will follow the same approach. So here basically whenever the question says, see ABCD is a quadrilateral, the figure already given in the question. AD and BC is same. This side AD and this side BC is already same written in the question itself. I am not saying, it is given in the question itself. Angle DAB, angle DAB, this CBA, this blue angle, these two angles are also same, already given in the question. What we have to prove? We have to prove that triangle ABD and triangle BAC both are congruent with each other. So at first we will focus on the first part only. Okay, both the triangle we have to prove congruent. So let me, for here at least, let me highlight the triangle. So we are going to talk about triangle ABD, which is given in the question. When the name of the triangle is given in the question, believe me, the question is very simple. It is level 1 question. Okay, we will be proceeding and we will see that the name of the triangle properly, it's even not given in the question. Okay, that time we also have to identify the triangle, and that time it will be little bit confusing. Okay, so here we are having one of the triangle, that is ABD. I have highlighted that triangle. Now the next triangle we are having, that is triangle BAC. BAC, this is the triangle we are having. Now this two triangle, the orange triangle and the blue triangle, these two triangles we are having. Okay, we have to focus on this two triangle. So now we will be writing, we are talking about in the solution portion, we will name the triangle which is given in the question itself. We are going to talk about triangle ABD, and we are going to talk about triangle BAC. This is how always we will start our solution, our proof, and then we will write whatever information is given in the question. So here in the question, it is clearly written that AD is equals to BC. We just have to confirm that side is AD is there in one of the triangle, yes or no. AD side, AD side is present in one of the triangle which we have written over here. So yeah, we can see AD side is there in the orange colored triangle, right? So we will be writing below this triangles that from this triangle side AD is equals to, from the other triangle side BC, from the other triangles side BC. The blue triangles BC and the orange triangle ED already same. How we are writing that? It is clearly written in the question. Now the next information which is already given in the question, we will be noting it over here. That is angle DAB. The orange triangles, angle DAB. Orange triangles, angle DAB, or triangle, if we are talking about triangle ABD, there is an angle whose name is DAB. Okay, DAB from that triangle is equals to CBA from this triangle. Please confirm by looking at the angle, confirm it. Is it present in Like one of the angle in the orange triangle and the other angle in the blue triangle. Is it present like this?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay, it is present. So we will be writing yes, it is present and given. This information is also given. Now we are having 5 rules. We are having 5 rules, and in all the rules, 3 information is needed. 3 information is needed. 2 sides same, 1 angle same, or maybe 2 angles same, 1 side same. So at least we must collect, while collecting the information from the figure, we must collect at least 3 information, and 2 information we have already
ma'am,
listed
it's
over here.
ASA.
It is
ASA.
ASA. What is the third side?
Third side is angle DAB is equal to CBA.
Side. Like 2 things we have listed over here. What is the third? Like side angle, what can be written as the same? What is common in this 2 triangle? What else is common in this orange and blue triangle? See, you are moving ahead. I can understand you have already solved. See, I'm just here. I have just listed down whatever is given, and I am asking you what else we know from this orange and blue color triangle. What is same? What is common apart from the given information? Yes, anyone? AD is equals to BC, angle DAB is equals to angle CBA. What else? What else is same? Sazia and Tejas, at least you two are doing it. You already have done, right? If you are saying Tejas ASA, what you have used? Which angle, which side, which angle? Can you see side AB is common over here?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see? AB is there in the orange triangle also, and AB is there in the blue triangle also. So can we write AB is common side? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we can write that. Okay. We can write that AB is here also and AB is there also. It is a common side. And hence now we will say both triangle are congruent. But I say to you, please check it, is any rule is followed or not. Only 5 rules we are having, and from the 5 rule any one we have to use, and from the 5 rule if any one is not matching, we are not following the right, we are not following the right direction. We are not on the right track. Okay, we are on the wrong track. So we have to check from those 5 rules. What are the 5 rules? The 5 rule was, I'm writing it over here. One of the rule was side, side, side. Another rule was side, angle, side. Next rule was angle, side, angle. Next rule was angle, angle, side. And next rule was RHS, right angle, hypotenuse, and one of the side. These 5 rules we are having in hand. From here, anyone we have to use. If anyone is not matching, then definitely we have done mistake. Okay,
Ma'am,
we are
AS.
AAS. Okay, we will be checking it. Now that day I was telling you, after making the list, okay, please follow the steps. After making the list, focus on any one triangle, either triangle ABD or triangle BAC. Focus on any one of the triangle, either ABD or BAC. So let's focus on ABD. That means the orange colored triangle, ABD. If we will focus on ABD, then here we can mark. Here we can mark that AD side we have written already. AD side we have used. This side we have used while making the list of same things, angle same, side same. While making the list over here, what we have used from the orange color triangle, that's what I'm going to point it out in that triangle. Either focus on orange color triangle or focus on blue color triangle. name wise I'm saying it, either focus on triangle ABD or focus on triangle BAC. Only one triangle you have to focus. Okay, and point everything whatever you have taken in your list. In your list, whatever you have taken, point it. How we make the list? When I go for grocery shopping, no, I make the list like this. So many things I write it like biscuits, chips, or cakes, so many things. And when I have taken the stuffs, what I do, I just take it. This stuff I have taken, this one I have taken, this one I have taken, this one I have taken. Oh yeah, this one is missing. So this is how we check. Okay, here also we are checking whatever we have written in our list, we will mark it in the figure. So AD side we have written in the list, AD side we are going to mark in the figure. Can you see I have marked? Now what else we have used? Angle DAB. Angle DAB we have used. Angle DAB, what we are going to mark that this angle we have used. Okay. Now the next side, whatever you have written over here, AB, mark it in the triangle, and then you will get the sequence that which formula, which congruency criteria is applied over here. Can you see it? Can you see it? Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the best way. This is the best way to identify which congruency criteria we are using. List you can make any way, here and there, any way you can write it. Okay, no worries. After writing, just point it in your figure, any one figure. Please don't point it in all both the figure, otherwise it can create confusion. So point it in any one of the triangle, either the orange one or the blue one. Once you will point everything, you will find the rule. Here it is crystal clear that side angle, side congruency criteria is followed over here. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and we will be writing it over here. This chapter is confusing like to most of the student when at last when we ask for revision, which chapter do you want to revise, they always say that Euclid's geometry and quadrilateral and triangle chapter. Always, whenever you will ask any student from class 9 which chapter you want to discuss, just before the exam, triangle chapter. But this is not a chapter which we can discuss just before the exam. You have to learn it now only. Okay, patiently, one by one, each and every question we will be doing over here, and each and every question's concept must be crystal clear to you, so that if I will draw a new figure and I will give it to you, you will be sure that this is how I have to write the steps and this is how I have to proceed, and then definitely you will be able to do. Okay, so we ended up getting that this triangle ABD, see the name, we don't have to worry about the name is already given over here. Triangle ABD is congruent with triangle BAC. By which congruency criteria? By side angle side congruency criteria. Is it crystal clear? Ishad, Farhan, Ayan? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, this is how we are done with the first part. Now the second and third part, focus on the second part of the question. It says that, show that, prove that BD is equals to AC. Prove that BD and AC are same. So since we have written the congruency, now we can say BD and AC are nothing but corresponding part of congruent triangle. Automatically, once these two triangles are same, congruent, that means yes, BD and AC automatically will be same. That's what I was explaining you. From here, make the list of corresponding side. From here, make the list of corresponding angle. Why I was telling you to do so in the first class? Because so that anytime you can write the corresponding side and you can say, we know it will be same. We know it will be same because these two triangles are congruent triangle. What is the meaning of congruency? Congruency means these two triangles are exactly exactly same in shape and size. So obviously this two sides has to be same by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle are always same. Okay. Now the second part we are done. We are done with the proof. Only one line we have to write and we are done with the proof. Okay. Third part. This CPCT word you have to mention that from where you are writing it. You are writing it from here. Okay. Now the next part is angle ABD is equals to angle BAC. ABD, BAC. Now, if you will focus on your triangle structure, then from here, can we write that angle ABD is equals to angle BAC? Can we write? These two are nothing but just corresponding angle. Can we write?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
we can
ma'am.
write it. Okay, that day we were making a list of corresponding side and corresponding angles. No, this one is one of the corresponding side. This one is one of the corresponding angle. Okay, this is how we need to do it. Anyone having any confusion? Okay, let me summarize. Figure is already given. ABCD is a quadrilateral. This side is equals to that side. This angle is equals to that angle, so that this triangle is congruent with that triangle. I have just highlighted the triangle. In your exam, maybe you won't be able to highlight the triangle. You have to focus on the triangle or make it bold. One of the triangle, make it bold with pen. Another triangle, you can use pencil to highlight it, and then you can understand. Okay. So this is how I have highlighted the figure, and then I have written we are talking about triangle ABD and BAC. Whatever is already given, I have written over here. One thing we have found by ourselves just by looking at the figure that AB side is present in the orange triangle also, and AB side is present in the blue triangle. So AB and AB both are common side, and hence these two triangles are congruent with each other. And since these two triangles are congruent, corresponding side list we can make. But here we don't have to make the list. We just have to show that BD and AC are same. So we can say BD and AC has to be same by CPCT. CPCT means corresponding part of congruent triangle are always same. Okay. Similarly, angle ABD and angle BAC will be same by again CPCT. Why? Because corresponding part of congruent triangle are always same. Anyone having any confusion so far? Ayan, Farhan, Irshad. Ayan.
No, ma'am.
Next is
Yes, ma'am.
next question. You got it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. Let me write the next question. Now this one you are going to try. Okay, you will tell me what exactly you are thinking. See here, the name of the triangle is not given. What I was saying from the very beginning, when the name is not given, when the name is not given, when the name is not given, it will be little bit confusing. When the name is not given, and here the name of the triangles are not given. Okay, sentence is given which we have to decode and we have to understand. Let me draw the figure. Let's try understanding the scenario. Okay, we will be reading the question. I am not going to give this question to you. We need to discuss it. Okay, we will be discussing it. So here it says that AD, where is AD? We can see AD over here. We can see AD over here. Okay, and BC. We can see BC over here. Are equal. AD and BC are equal, perpendicular to a line segment AB. AB, this AD, sorry, and BC, AD and BC are equal. Both are equal and also perpendicular to line segment AB. Both are equal with each other. This is how every time you have to solve word problem in mathematics. Each and every sentence you have to decode, and then only you will think about solving it. Okay. So AD and BC both are equal with each other, and it is represented in the question itself. One line over here and one line over here. That means these two are equal with each other. Okay. These two are equal, represented in the figure also, and are perpendicular. It is perpendicular. Both the lines are perpendicular to what? Perpendicular to AB, line segment AB. Line segment we were discussing in lines and angles chapter, no? Line segment, we are having one of the segment of line, we are having AB, and both the orange line are perpendicular to this blue line. Any confusion so far? What the question says? No. Okay. Now what we have to show over here, we have to show that CD, where is CD? Here is CD. We can clearly see in the figure CD. Show that CD bisect AB. So that CD is bisecting AB. This line CD is bisecting the line AB. I'm writing it over here. Line CD is bisecting the line means line segment, I want to say, AB. Okay. Line CD is bisecting the line AB. That means CD is cutting AB in two equal parts. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
CD is just cutting AB in two equal parts. That is the meaning of bisecting AB. AB is getting bisected means AB is getting cutted in two equal parts. We have to show that this OB and this OA are same. Why from O only I am saying? Because that's how CD is bisecting. Okay, there is a line AB, there is a line CD, and CD is cutting AB in two equal portions. Okay, CD is cutting AB. This CD is cutting the line AB in two equal parts. That means this part of AB and this part of AB both has to be same. If this is 5 centimeter, this also has to be 5 centimeter. That's how the line CD is cutting the line AB. That's what we have to show over. Getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
Question is crystal clear to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let's discuss. So what we have to show here? We have to show that OA is equals to OB. We have to show that, okay, because here written, see, if still you got confused, why show? Because here it is written, show that it is bisecting. So if we will be able to show that OB and OA are same, if we will be able to show that OB and OA are same, then we can say that CD is bisecting AB. Okay, this is what we have to show over. It's not given. We have to show that OB and OA are same. Then only we can say since it's same and hence CD is bisecting AB. Okay, so let's proceed. I'm rubbing it because it is not given. We have to show that. So to prove this part, we have to prove this OB and OA are same. We will take the help of concept of congruency to show that OB and OA are same. We will be taking the help of concept of congruency. Okay, first we will show two such triangle are congruent, and then we will say one of the triangle is having corresponding side OB and the other is having OA. Both will be same by CPCT. So to prove this, we will be proving two triangles congruency first. Now the biggest question mark is which two triangles. So I am explaining you which two triangle. One of the triangle must have side OB. Another triangle must have side OA. Okay. We are going to prove. हम लोग दो ऐसा triangle ढूंढ रहे हैं जिसको congruent proof कर दे पहले. कैसा होना चाहिए ट्राइंगल? फर्स्ट वाले ट्राइंगल में डेफिनेटली वन ऑफ द साइड ए, दूसरे वाले ट्राइंगल का एक साइड तो ओ ए होना ही चाहिए. ऐसा दो ट्राइंगल हम लोग ढूंढ रहे हैं जिसमें एक साइड ओ बी हो, ठीक है, एक ट्राइंगल का, और दूसरे ट्राइंगल अनदर ट्राइंगल मस्ट हैव वन साइड एज ओ ए. We will be proving these two triangles are congruent with each other, and then we will say that OB and OA are corresponding part of the congruent triangle and hence it's same. What I am talking about? I am talking about something like this scenario. If in the same question, in the previous question, if instead of triangle ABD and BAC, if directly it will tell you, suppose this is not given, directly it will tell you that prove that BD and AC are same. Then how you will prove? Still you will be proving this two triangle congruent, and then directly you will write BD and AC will be same automatically because these two are corresponding part of the congruent triangle. So the same thing we are trying to do for the next question. Triangle we don't know. Two sides we have to show same. But at first we will show that two triangles are congruent. And these two sides are nothing but just the corresponding side, and hence automatically it will be equal. Okay, now which two triangle to take? That is the biggest confusion. So I'm telling you, one triangle must have one of the side as a OB and another triangle must have one of the side as a OA. And if you are listening to me, yes?
Ma'am, angle AOB is equal to angle AOC.
AOB. Please name it properly.
Ma'am, angle AOB is equal to AOC.
See, Tejas, if we are focusing on angle or triangle.
Angle.
Angle AOB, if you will focus, Tejas, can you see where is angle AOB? Start from A, go to A, end at B. Which angle is AOB? This is. Are you trying to say about this angle?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. AOC. AOC. This much angle. Is it same? Why?
I think vertically opposite.
No. No. Vertically opposite concept we will be using here, Tejas. But for now, these two angles are not vertically opposite. So vertically opposite means. Okay. Just a second. No? Yeah. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these two angle Tejas, these two are not vertically opposite. However, yeah, we will be using this concept which you mentioned. But first we need to identify Tejas which two triangle to take. कौन सा वो दो ट्रायंगल है जिसको हम लोग कॉन्ग्रुएंट प्रूव करना चाहते हैं, ठीक है? देन ओनली वी विल बी एबल टू प्रोसीड. सो फर्स्ट वी विल बी एबल टू फिगर इट आउट. जस्ट अ सेकेंड.
Ma'am, can we do construction?
Can you see? Can we focus on this two triangle, the orange one and the black one? I was telling you, you just have to be careful that one of the triangle is having OB side. Okay. So can you see? Can you see that you were searching for two triangle, and here it is clearly visible that one of this triangle is having OB side. The orange triangle is having OB side, and the black triangle is having OA side. Can you see it?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you see it? I was telling you, I'm not sure whether my statement is clear or not, but I'm trying to say you have to search two such triangle. One of the triangle is having one of its side as a OB, and the other triangle is having one of its side as OA. ऐसा दो ट्रायंगल हम लोग सर्च कर रहे थे जिसमें एक ट्रायंगल का एक साइड ओबी हो, और जो दूसरा ट्रायंगल हमने ढूंढा है उसका एक साइड कम से कम OA हो. We were searching such triangle, and can you see orange color triangle is having OB side and black color triangle is having OA side. So maybe we got two triangles. Okay. Now how we proceed? We write the name of the triangle. So we will be writing. Anyway, you just write the name. So triangle is AOD and triangle is BOC. I'm not specific with the name. I'm telling you here, I'm not specific with the name. I have just written a black triangle and an orange triangle. AOD is the black one and BOC is the orange color triangle. Now, whatever is given, same, already equal. In the question itself, we will be noting down over here. So in the question, it is written that AD and BC are equal. See the first statement, AD and BC are equal. So black triangles AD side is equals to orange triangles BC side. That is given already. Given. Okay. Now the next information which is already given are equal and perpendicular to line segment. Okay, so this angle is 90 degree and this angle is also, it is given, it is perpendicular to line segment AB. So this is also 90 degree. It is already given in the question that BC and AD both are perpendicular to AB. Okay, so we will be writing it over here in the black triangle, angle A. That means angle DAO is equals to orange color triangle, angle B. That means angle CBO or OBC, whatever. Both are 90 degree already given. So far, is it clear to everyone? Is it clear?
Ma'am, can we write BCO?
Just a second, no? Just a second. Yeah, what you said?
Ma'am, can we write BCO?
Can I?
Can we write BCO?
BCO. Angle you are saying?
Yes, ma'am.
See, you have to be specific, Tejas. BCO. Tejas, you are saying no?
ma'am.
BCO is this angle, Tejas. Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So BCO for now we cannot see,
Hmm.
right?
Okay.
That green color angle we cannot say for now. Now, the two information which is already given in the question, we have listed down over here. This much is crystal clear to you, yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I would repeat all the formula. 5 formula we are having. What are the formulas? Again, I will make the list over here so that it will just get printed in your mind that 5 formulas we are having. Let's write it quickly. Tell me what are the 5 formulas we are having. Side.
Yes.
Side, angle, side.
Hmm. AS.
Angle, side, angle.
Hmm.
Angle, side. Yes.
Angle side.
Perfect. What else?
RHS.
RHS. These 5 rules we are having already in hand. Okay. And anyone from here, if we will be able to use, then we can say the two triangle are congruent. Okay. So what is the third information? In our list, already 2 information we have listed over here. Third information, which we have to analyze, which is not given in the question. It is not given in the question. We have to find the third information. Okay. If you will focus in the figure, you will find that, check carefully. If you will focus over here, what are you getting? Anything which we can find it by ourselves by using the mathematics knowledge throughout in your life, whatever you have learned. Maybe the chapter of lines and angles concept. Maybe before that you have learned any concept, maybe that. Okay, so anything we can be useful over here. Anyone, what can be the third information which we can use over here, which we can see in the figure itself? If I will draw this line and this line is intersecting each other, so can we say this angle and this angle is pair of vertically opposite angle? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
Can we say this angle and this angle is pair of vertically opposite angle? Can we?
Yes, ma'am.
We have to find it by ourselves. It is not given in the question. Always in the question, 2 information will be given, 1 will be missing. The missing one you have to find, and then only you will be able to prove congruent. So we will be writing it over here in our black triangle, in the AOD triangle, angle O, that means angle AOD is equals to angle O in the orange color triangle, that means angle BOC. These two will be equal. Why? Because these two are vertically opposite angle. Don't worry, I will summarize everything. Now we have created list of 3. Okay, 3 things we have already compared. Okay, 3 information we have already listed over here. Now, what I said to you, just get back to your triangle, any one triangle, either the orange one or the black one, and mark everything, whatever you have written in your list. So this is the black triangle. This AOD is the black triangle, AOD. It is making everything, just a second. Yeah. This AOD is the black triangle. Okay, and BOC is the orange one. So in this triangle, if we will mark down everything from the list, AD side is there. Let's write side. This side we have used in our list. Angle DAO, okay, this 90 degree, this angle we have used.
Angle.
And angle AOD, this angle we have used.
Okay.
Can you see the sequence?
Yes, ma'am. Angle side.
If you are thinking side angle, see, That is there in the rule. Side angle, angle? No. Then angle, angle, side, is it there in the rule?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, it is there. Can you see it? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
Angle,
Yes,
angle,
ma'am.
side rule is there. Hence, we will say that black triangle and orange triangle are congruent with each other, but be specific with the name. Please be specific with the name, because in our question, name of the triangle is not given. So this time we have to arrange the names carefully. So far we have not focused on the name. Now we will focus. So AD, side AD and side BC are same. So while writing AOD and BOC, we will be careful. AD and BC, we must write in the same manner. Okay. AD and BC. Yeah, we have written it properly. Angle A over here is equals to angle B over there. A and B, have we written properly? Yeah, at the same place we have written. Now angle O over here is equals to angle O over there. So yeah, angle O over here is equals to angle O over there. We have maintained the proper sequence. Now we are checking it. At first, when you are mentioning that you are thinking about this triangle and that triangle, you can write the name anyway, your wish. But when you are saying that these two are congruent, your name should be proper, arranged in a proper alphabetical manner. From where you will be getting that alphabetical manner, like how you will be able to understand what should be the proper name. AOD is equals to COB. Can we say COB? No, we cannot say. We cannot say. We cannot say that AOD and COB are same, are congruent with each other. See, we cannot say that AOD and COB are same. We can only say that triangle AOD and triangle BOC are congruent with each other. Because in the other, which I have written just now below, you can check it. AD. The first information which we have written in our list is AD and BC are same. Here AD and BC are coming out as the same. Perfect. So far it is great. Next, angle A over here is equals to angle B over there. Why I am saying angle A and angle B? Because the middle one I am checking. So angle A over here and angle B over there is same. Can you see the sequence is not perfect? Can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is incorrect name. We have to write the name properly of both the triangle. This is incorrect name, because in our list, angle A and angle B is both are 90 degree. And in this name, if you will make the list of corresponding angle, you will say that angle A from here is equals to angle C from there. Because the first angle from here must be equals to first angle from there. That is what the meaning of congruency is. Each and every alphabet, पहला alphabet यहाँ से, पहला अल्फाबेट वहां से, जो भी दो एंगल रिप्रेजेंट करता है आपस में सेम होना ही चाहिए. ऐसे नेम लिखना है हमें, और ये नेम इनकरेक्ट है. Am I making sense to all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
So apart from solving everything, we also have to be particular with the name. And now don't worry, I will summarize everything from the very beginning. What will be the approach? You just have to practice same question again and again, again and again. Okay. So what I'm telling you here, yeah, what we wanted to prove, OB and OA are same. Now we can say OB or BO and OA or AO, OB, both are same. AO, BO, both are same. Okay, these two sides are same. Hence, side AB is getting bisected by side CD. Okay, line segment AB is getting bisected by line segment CD. Now we can say that. Okay, hence, it is already 27. Hence, AB is bisected by CPCT. We have to write. We wanted to prove only this part, but we did this at first, and from here we are getting this. Now let me summarize everything quick. So this is the question. First we understood the question. We realized that OB and OA we have to prove same. Then only we can say the line segment AB is getting bisected by CD. Okay. Now we have searched two such triangle where the first triangle must have OB side and the other triangle must have OA side. Those two such triangle we will be able, if we can prove congruent, then by CPCT directly we can write OB and OARC. So we focused on the figure also, and then we realized that the orange triangle and black triangle, these two triangle we can take. In one of the triangle, definitely OB side is there, and in the other triangle, OA side is there. Now, by ourselves, randomly we have taken the triangle. It may work, it may not work. If it is not working, we will be thinking about the other possible triangle in the figure. So, by God's grace, thankfully, it worked over here. But every time it may not work. That time we need to think about the other possible triangle. So, we have taken AOD and BOC triangle and we made the list that AD and BC already given same perpendicular line. It was given in the question itself. So we have taken that angle B in the orange triangle and angle A in the black triangle. Both are 90-degree given already. One information we have listed over here by ourselves, that is there is a vertically opposite angle which I have drawn separately also. Okay, vertically opposite angle. That's why I was saying that lines and angle chapter you have to understand, then only this chapter will be clear. So this angle and this angle are same vertically opposite angle, and hence we found that triangle AOD and triangle BOC are same. After writing the name anyway randomly, you have to check whether your list is matching or not. So AD, BC, is it matching in the name of your triangle? If it is not matching, you have to think about the name of the triangle. Okay. So at first only don't think about the name. Write it anyway. Whatever triangle is visible, write the name. And then match it. The list which you have created over here is that list is matching over here. The corresponding side AD and BC are coming or not. Angle A and angle B are coming or not. Angle O and angle O are coming or not. At least only these three information you have to match in the name of your triangle. And believe me, this three information will be more than enough to write the proper name every time. Okay. After writing the name of the triangle, we are getting that, oh yeah, AO and BO are same. That's what we wanted to prove, and we are done. Everyone getting it?
Yes, ma'am.
So today also no assessment because our first topic is completely based on these all the concept of congruency. So I'm keeping it this much, no assessment, and yeah, practice. And if you find any difficulty in any of the question, let me know in the next class. I'm keeping it this much over here. Okay. Start solving question by yourself. Don't wait for the last moment. Okay. At least the first three questions must be on your tips. If it is not on your tips, let me know where exactly you are struggling. Okay. Don't leave this concept for the last moment. Okay. Okay, then I'm keeping it this much. Homework I'll send you. No assessment. Thank you, everyone. If you want to ask anything, I want you to do everything by yourself at first, and then you can ask me in the next class. Okay? Is it okay?
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, everyone. Take care of yourself. Thank you. Bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Bye. Hi, Rumaisha.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you?